Hello all, my name is Nitish. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see how to create AWS free tier account. So let's open Chrome first, then we will see how to create it. So we will go for AWS free tier account. So this is the website from AWS and we will select this one. So here we have an option called a free tier account. So we will click on that. Here we will be giving our email address and the other details like password and other thing. So let me fill this for you. This is the username which we require to remember. Means every time when we log in we will be giving this username only, or if we don't remember this username we can give our email address also. So I am going with this one. Okay, so let's go to next step. Security check. So in next step it is asking for our contact information, where it is asking for our name and phone numbers and country, address, city and pin code. So let me quickly fill this for me. So it is asking for our plan to use, why we are creating this account. So I will go for personal use. I don't have a business use for this account, so I will go for personal use. Here we need to accept the agreement terms. If you have time you can go through this agreement also, but for now I will be marking this and I will proceed further for next step. So this is means many of us will get afraid when it will be asking for this credit card or debit card detail, as we are thinking that it is free tier account and why it is asking for credit card. So this is just for our verification. It will debit ₹2 from our given payment account and it will be credited back within 3 to 5 days, so nothing to worry about. Let me quickly take my credit card details and I will fill it here. Here it is asking if I have PAN number or PAN card or not. I can give either yes or no. If I am giving yes, I have to fill my PAN details, or else I can ignore for now. Now perhaps it will debit my ₹2 and that it will send one OTP on my mobile. So here you can see it is asking for ₹2. Now it is asking for my identity, how I will verify myself in future when I will try to log in. So I can go with this SMS verification, where it will send me one SMS while logging in, so that I will verify that my credentials. So I will go with this SMS verification and I will give my number here. Again it will send me one code. Now here you could see that we have three options. One is for free tier, and other one is for developer, and other one is for business. So for developer and business we could see charges also, means it will debit $29 per month, and it will debit $100 per month, apart from the other uses, means if we are assigning some resources, and that those cost will be different, but it will be the charge of this account. So right now we will go with free tier, as this is for learning purpose only. So I will hit click sign up button now, and that's it, we are good to go now. You can see this congratulations message, and I will go to now AWS management console. Here it is asking for console sign in. Since I have created this account, so I will be the root user. Later on I can create some IAM user, which I will show you afterwards. Right now I will be logging as root user. I will fill this captcha quickly. Oops. That's it. We have now our AWS free tier account, and we can work on services whatever is under free tier. So in later videos we will see for other services like EC2, IAM, VPC, database. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.